Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a circle.
Artie loves circles. The sign is a circle. Circle fountain. A circle-shaped pond. Wheels are circles. The sun is a circle.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are shaped like a cone.
Artie loves cones.
Artie, your favourite cone is an ice cream cone.
Hey, ice cream.
Artie, here's a safety construction cone.
Cone.
What is that over there by the bench?
Hat.
That's right, it's a cone-shaped birthday hat.
Birthday cone. Artie loves cones.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are the shape of a cube.
Artie loves shapes. A cube toy. A cube box. A cube gift. A Rubik Cube puzzle. Artie found cubes.
Artie, let's go and find some cylinder shapes.
Artie loves shapes. Cylinder trash can. This can of drink is a cylinder. A drink in a cylinder. My drum is a cylinder. Artie loves cylinders.
Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a hexagon.
Artie loves hexagons.
Artie, is there anything hexagon-shaped on this sidewalk?
Hexagon paving stones.
What about at this store? See anything hexagon-shaped?
Yes, hexagon picture frame.
Time for the park. What shape is that sign?
Hexagon-shaped sign.
Look at this pretty flower bed, Artie. What shape is it?
It's a hexagon.
That's right.
Artie's sandwich is a hexagon. Hexagon sandwich. Yummy.
What is that shape on top of the slide, Artie?
It's a hexagon shape. Artie loves hexagons.
Artie, let's go and find things that are shaped like an octagon.
Artie loves octagons.
Artie, look, an octagon-shaped street sign.
Octagon street sign.
Artie, this store has octagon-shaped mirrors.
Octagon mirrors.
Look, the park sign is an octagon.
Octagon sign.
Pretty flowers in an octagon flower bed.
Octagon flower bed.
Octagon picnic plate.
Octagon plates. Octagon sandwich. Artie loves octagons.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are oval-shaped.
Artie loves shapes. An oval-shaped mirror. An oval cookie. An oval sign. This pond is an oval.
Artie, it's an oval sandpit.
Yeah. Artie found ovals.
Artie, let's go and find pentagon-shaped things.
Artie loves shapes. Pentagon picture frame. Pentagon chalk drawings. Pentagon sign. Oh, pentagon flower bed. Pentagon plate. Pentagon cookie. Yum. Pentagon sandpit. Artie loves shapes.
Artie, let's find things that are shaped like a pyramid.
Artie loves pyramids.
Is there something pyramid-shaped in the store window?
Pyramid cake.
Is there something pyramid-shaped in these sandcastles?
Yes, a pyramid roof.
That's right.
Another pyramid roof. Artie loves pyramid shape.
Artie, let's go and find things that are shaped like a rectangle.
Artie loves rectangles.
Is there a rectangle shape in the store window?
A rectangular picture.
This park bench is an interesting shape.
Rectangle.
Artie, what shape is your book?
Artie's book is a rectangle.
Yes, it is. Can we find a rectangle on the street?
Truck. Truck is a rectangle.
That's right, Artie, it is.
Artie loves rectangles.
Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a rhombus.
Artie loves rhombus.
Can you see a rhombus anywhere, Artie?
These paving stones are rhombus.
Is there a rhombus shape on this counter, Artie?
Rhombus-shaped picture.
What is the shape of the park sign, Artie?
It's a rhombus.
Ooh, Artie, what shape is this flower bed?
It's a rhombus shape. My sandwich is rhombus. Rhombus sandwich.
Look, Artie, what is that shape on the top of the slide?
It's a rhombus. Artie loves rhombus.
Artie, let's find things that are the shape of a semicircle.
Artie loves semicircles.
Can you see a semicircle in the store window?
Semicircle pastry.
The bottom of the slide is a semicircle.
Semicircle slide. This fan is a semicircle. Artie loves semicircles.
Artie, let's go and find things that are shaped like a sphere.
Artie loves spheres.
Artie, in the toy store there's a sphere-shaped ball.
Sphere shape.
Artie, another ball, and it's a sphere.
Sphere shape.
Look at the bubbles in the air. They're spheres.
Bubbles are spheres.
That's right.
Artie loves spheres.
Artie, let's go and find things that are shaped square.
Artie loves squares.
Oh look, Artie, the paving stones are square.
Square paving stones.
They're all square. A square picture frame.
Yay, square picture frame.
Artie, the sign outside the park is square.
Square sign. My juice box is square. Square sandwich.
It's a square sandpit.
It's a square sandpit.
Yes, it is.
Artie loves squares.
Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a trapezoid.
Artie find trapezoid.
Is there a trapezoid shape in this window, Artie?
Yeah, trapezoid cake.
I wonder what will be trapezoid shaped on this street.
Trapezoid street lamp.
And that roof behind is even trapezoid shaped. What else can we find?
It's a trapezoid flower pot.
Look at this house, Artie. Look at the roof.
It's a trapezoid roof. Artie loves trapezoids.
Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a triangle.
Artie loves triangle.
Artie, look, a triangle-shaped road sign.
Triangle road sign.
Artie, there's triangle-shaped cakes in that bakery.
Artie loves triangle cakes.
The sign into the park is a triangle.
Triangle park sign.
Pretty flowers in a triangle flower bed.
Triangle flower bed.
That's right.
Artie's cheese is a triangle. Triangle sandwich.
This slide in the playground is a triangle shape.
Triangle slide. Artie find triangles.